Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be making homemade smoky suya. So we are going to be using our suya spice. I made suya spice the last time, is on my channel. So I'll put the link down in my description box. Please check it out. So here is the meat I'm going to be using. I've cut it into thin, like flatten it, then I'll cut it into the shape that I want. So here is me cutting all the meats. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't leave without subscribing. Like this video and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome. I'm done cutting everything, so I'll be spicing it up. Here is my seasoning, then the suya spice. We made this suya spice the last time. Check my description box for the link. Then smoked paprika, the next I'll be adding in vegetable oil and mix everything together. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm done mixing everything. You can cover it to marinate. You can as well start immediately. So here is my dry pot. I didn't add anything to it because I'll still rub the meat with vegetable oil. That is vegetable oil. I'm using brush to brush a vegetable oil into the meat. I'm done with everything, the plating. So I'm topping it up with the suya spice. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this my method out, and let me know how yours come out. Thank you all for the support. Please don't go without subscribing. Let me share my video to reach a larger audience. Please keep on supporting. See you all in my next one. Bye.